Today, you will learn how to fix spacing between words in Microsoft Word document in the simplest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and select the text where you notice the spacing problem. You can select a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the whole document by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Let's start with adjusting the space between letters in words. This is useful when letters look too tight or too stretched. Go to the Home tab. In the Font section, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This opens the Font Settings box. Now click on the Advanced tab. Here you will see an option called Spacing. Click on the drop-down menu. You will see two options called Expanded and Condensed. Expanded increases the space between letters. Condensed reduces the space between letters. After choosing one, you can control how much space you want by changing the value in the By box. You can see a live preview at the bottom. When you're happy with the result, click OK. Now let's talk about kerning. Kerning is a smart feature that adjusts the spacing between specific letter pairs so the text looks more balanced. For example, letters like A and V can sit closer together without looking wrong. To use this, again, open the Font Settings from the Home tab and go to the Advanced tab. Check the box that says Kerning for fonts, then enter a number in the Points and Above box. This usually works best for larger text like headings. Check the preview and press OK. Another powerful option is scaling the text horizontally. This means you can make the text slightly wider or narrower without changing the font size. Open the Font Settings again and go to the Advanced tab. Look for the Scale option. If you enter a value above 100%, the text becomes wider. If you enter a value below 100%, the text becomes narrower. This is very helpful when text looks stretched or compressed. Now, let's fix spacing between paragraphs. Sometimes the problem is not between letters, but between lines, making the document hard to read. Select the paragraph or text, go to the Home tab, and click on Line and Paragraph Spacing button. You can choose options like 1.0, 1.5, or 2.0, depending on how much space you want. For more control, click on Line Spacing Options. A box will appear where you can set exact spacing. You can change the spacing before and after paragraphs and also set custom line spacing. This helps make your document look clean and easy to read, especially for assignments, reports, and official documents. If your words have very large gaps between them, it is often because the text is set to justify alignment. Justified text forces both left and right sides to align, which can create uneven spaces between words. To fix this, select the text and change the alignment from Justify to Align Left from the Home tab. Now you know how to fix all types of spacing problems in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful and easy to understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple Word tutorials that make your work faster and more professional.